The two mamas are out and they keep fighting each other because they're both crazy. You guys need to be good and stop fighting over that one. Excuse me. Einstein, there's a whole cage of food over there. See, they keep fighting over this one bowl of food. This is the chaos that I always seem to wake up to. Bieber's just like, I'm an innocent standby girl. Don't hurt me. But I've been asleep, so I'm hungry too. Hey, not Beeper. She didn't do anything to you. Leave her alone. Be nice, you guys. The mamas are hormonal and crazy. Where's Mr. Lemon? There you are. Are you hiding around the corner? Hi, Lemon. Excuse me, be nice. Yes, you got plates of food everywhere. On your table, you have like 100 bowls on your cage, and they're worried about this one bowl over here. Einstein looks happy that she won that bowl. Woosah. And this is why I have stuff like this. So I can just chill and relax and not think about the insanity around me and if anybody's gonna get hurt or not. Princess is hiding up on the clock. You're really gonna go try to be over there with Einstein? You were safe hiding. Usually everybody leaves Princess alone because she's really sweet. Usually. With Einstein and Furby both having eggs, you never know though. Alright, everybody's calm and getting their bellies full. See, we didn't need all that craziness. Get your water.